Hello, Sunny Fit fam, Coach James here, and I am here today to take you through a 20-minute HIIT run. Lucky you. Okay, so first we're gonna start with a dynamic warm-up here on the mat. Then we'll hit the treadmill, work our way up to a nice jog. Then we'll hit it with some nice sprint intervals, and then we'll cool down, and that'll be the workout for today. Okay, let's get it. First warm-up move here. We're gonna do a single leg deadlift. So our stance leg, we're maintaining a slight bend, and we're gonna hinge at the hips. Boom, until the head's parallel with the, until the torso's parallel with the ground, then we'll come back up. Okay, going for 30 seconds here. If you have a hard time, we can reach with the opposing arm across the body. You can challenge yourself here and try to maintain balance without touching this foot down. We're gonna go here for another 8 seconds, then we'll transition. And good, now we'll switch sides here. Here we go. It's hot lava all around you. Hot lava. Okay, I'm feeling confident today, so I'm willing to bet that my foot won't touch this mat. If so, I'll do a bonus set of burpees for you. If your foot touches, I expect burpees from you. Here we go, here we go. We have 5 seconds. I haven't touched down. I'm closing the eye too. I'm getting really cocky. And done. Okay. All right, now we're gonna go into a lateral lunge now. So we're gonna have a wide stance, both toes pointing straight ahead. Okay, we're gonna shift down and back. We're gonna head the same direction. Okay, torso upright. I like to reach for the inner calf here. It helps me get a little bit lower. We want both shoulders straight ahead, so we're not rotating when we're here. Boom, driving up through that heel, warming up the glute, stretching out the inner thigh here. And now we'll transition sides. Making sure this knee stays inside the ankle. We don't want to drift outside. Here we go. We're gonna go for another 10 seconds, Sunny fam, then we'll hit the treadmill. 4, 3, 2, and done. Okay, now we'll hit the treadmill. Safety first. So we'll put on the safety clips here. Okay, we'll hit start. And we're gonna start with a nice brisk walk. Okay, you can start anywhere from 2 to 4 miles per hour. We're gonna start, I would encourage you to start on a slower end, and you can take your incline to 1. Okay, so we're gonna spend the next 3 minutes here. We're gonna work our way up from a brisk walk to a jog. Every 60 seconds, we'll take it up anywhere from half a mile per hour to a full 1 mile per hour. And we'll end up anywhere from 2 to 5. Now, the work intervals, we're gonna do 60 seconds all out sprints. 60 seconds, yeah, we're gonna get after it today. And then our rest period is gonna be 60 seconds in which we'll bring it down to a nice walk or a nice jog, okay? So for the first sprint interval that we do today, I don't want you to give me max effort right out the gates, okay? I want you to give me like 70%, 80% to make sure we get nice and warmed up. Okay, now we're gonna take it up here a little bit. I'm taking my treadmill up to 3.0. So throughout this run, make sure we're paying attention to our form. Chest up, nice normal strides, landing softly, okay? 1, because we wanna make sure we stay injury free. 2, if you're in an apartment, we don't wanna upset your neighbors, okay? So, nice, comfortable pace here. Use this time to get ready mentally. Like I said, we're doing 60 seconds work intervals. If you find that you just don't have it today and you get closer, I'll keep you up to date with that time period. If we get closer to 40, 50 seconds, you start to tire out, feel free to go to your rest interval sooner if needed. Okay, now we're gonna take it up a little bit more. So I'm at 4.0. You can be anywhere from 3.0 to 3.5 right now. So now we're working up to real slow jog. Then after this slow jog, we'll go right into our first sprint interval. So remember, only went like 70%, okay? And for the sprint interval, you can be anywhere from 5 to 9 miles per hour throughout the workout. We're gonna go through 5 rounds. Okay, Sunny fam, we have about 20 seconds left here. Start to get in your zone. Okay, here we go. Okay, now we're beginning to take it up. We're gonna go into our first work interval here. 60 seconds. Remember, I want you at about 70% effort here. Here we go, staying light on the feet. We're gliding here, okay? Now we can spend anywhere from 5 to 9 miles per hour during the work intervals. Right now I'm at 6.5. We just passed the halfway point, Sunny fam. Let's go, we're gonna work hard today. It's not possible to drown in your sweat, but we're getting pretty close. Okay, we have another 10 seconds here, and then we'll bring it down to a walk or a jog, anywhere from 2 to 4 miles per hour. Okay, and take it down here. Okay, now we strut our stuff. Okay, so right now I'm at a 3.4. Catch your breath, catch your breath. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Enjoy this period. Here we get to sprint 4 more times. Now, when we go back into the sprint, I want some more effort, okay? I want you to take the 80, 85% range. Nice. Okay, we have 25 seconds left. Grab water if you need it. We have another 20 seconds here for the recovery, and then we get right back after, okay? So for this one, remember, we're gonna take it up a little bit more. The run's gonna be a little bit more intense. I was at 6.5 for my first interval. I'm gonna take it anywhere from 7 to 7.5. Okay, start to pick up the pace. And we're sprinting now. Oh yeah, I'm feeling myself today. I'm taking it up to 7.5. But you find a pace that's challenging for you, okay? I'm my own competition, you're your own competition. Here we go, we just made it to the halfway point. Soft landing, chest up, we're standing tall, running tall. 20 seconds left. Let's go, find it, final 10, final 10. Push, Sunny fam. 5, 4, 3, 2, and take it down. Anywhere from 2 to 4 miles per hour. Going back to 3.5. That's my safe place. Once again, keep your composure, calm down the breath. Okay, we get to do that 3 more times. Now for this next one, I want you to run as hard as you can. Okay, we're gonna run these next intervals, max effort. Remember, if you can't make it to the full 60, no big deal. You can hit your recovery period sooner. Just make sure you make note of that. Okay, so then the next time you come back and do this workout, you can aim to beat what you did here today. Rest break is up here. We're gonna take it up a notch again. So you can run at the pace you did last time if that was super difficult, or you can take it up a notch. So now we should be running at a pace where our breathing's a little bit more difficult. It's hard to hold a conversation. As you can tell, I'm not rambling as much, so I'm working pretty hard right now. We go for another 20 seconds. Here we go, stay focused, stay focused. We're almost there. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and bring it back down. Okay, Sunny fam, we are past the halfway point. That's a big reason to smile. Past the halfway point. Keep your composure here. See, that's why I'm a huge fan of HIIT workouts. We're gonna get this in and done in 20 minutes. If we can enjoy the rest of our day, whatever that entails. Hopefully some meal prep, some healthy nutrition, stress management, I'm not sure. Okay, in 10 seconds, we pick it up again. 2 intervals left. I want you to give me everything you have left in the tank here. Okay, I'm gonna take mine up to 8. We got this, let's do it. Here we go, Sunny fam, I'm right here with you. We're pushing through, making the most of this 20-minute workout. We just made it to the halfway point. Keep pushing, keep pushing. We have 18 seconds. Once again, be mindful of your posture here. We're working hard, but we want to keep it clean. We go for another 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, we take it down. We're at 3.5. At least I am. Okay? If you're really running on fumes right now, you can get closer to that 2 mile per hour mark. It's my second favorite part of the workout. We only have one more set. My favorite part of the workout is the cool down. Okay? Does that mean I did something positive for myself today? We're doing something positive today. 15 seconds left here. It's crazy. The rest break, 60 seconds, isn't the same as a work period, 60 seconds. The rest break just flies by. The work period seems like it takes forever. Okay, get ready. Give me your best effort. Last run here. We're up and we're going. Okay, I'm at 8.5. We want to be anywhere from 5 to 9. Max effort here, Sunny fam. We got this. Fighting to the end, fighting to the end. We just made it to the halfway point. "20 seconds. Keep it moving, keep it moving. 10, 9. All the way through for another 4, 3, 2, and take it down. Okay, I want you to take it all the way down to 3. If you have to here, you can put your hands on the rail. Catch your breath. That was fun, right? You know, that whole I don't think I'm gonna be able to make this. I don't think I can do this. And then you do it thing. It's kind of exciting. Okay, calm down the breath. We're gonna allow our heart rate to slow down here. Really important, you do not skip this part. Okay, you wanna allow your heart rate to slow down after a high intense workout like that. Okay, so we're gonna walk here for another 40 seconds, and then we'll do a few stretches. We'll be done here for today. Grab water if you need it, the towel. And if you need more time to stretch, feel free to do so. Here's a little pro tip. One of my favorite things to do is to play some like throwback, like love music, you know, some Usher or something, and just stretch to it, you know? Some Usher, some Whitney Houston, I don't know, something like that. It makes your heart warm. Okay, now in 5 seconds, we'll stop our treadmill. And now we'll knock out some stretches here. Okay. First stretch we're gonna do, we'll stand, we'll grab our ankle, pull the heel towards the butt, we'll stand tall. Okay, we want both thighs aligned, so I don't want the knee in front. Holding here. Deep breath. With each inhale, we're filling up the stomach, not the chest. We're gonna hold this here for another 10 seconds and then we'll transition. And we'll switch here. The cool down is also a great time to reflect. So, since you're watching this on YouTube right now, I want you to answer this question for me here. What's one thing that went really well for you this week? What's one thing, like what's your biggest win this week? Do me a favor, comment it. It'll make me happy. And we'll hold this for another 3 seconds, then we'll transition to our next stretch. And good, it also make you happy, magnifying your wins. Now we're going to a hamstring stretch here. So both legs straight. Okay, we're gonna hinge at the hips. My one thing for this week is showing up here today, guiding you through this workout. Deep breaths here, deep breaths. We're gonna hold for another 2, 1, and good. Then now we're gonna go into a calf stretch. So we're gonna put one foot forward, okay? We bend this front leg, back leg is straight. We drive the heel onto the treadmill, stand tall once again. We're gonna hold this for another 8 seconds. And now we'll switch sides. Last stretch here of the workout. Going here for another 8, 7, 2, and done. Okay, now, before we finish, if your foot touched the ground at the beginning of this workout, perfect time for burpees. No, I'm joking. My name again, once again, is Coach James. I want to thank you for joining me here today for this workout. I hope to see you again sometime soon. Okay, before we go, virtual fist bump. Boom. Have a great day.